Hello, my name is Haley Quincy, and I am the Math Specialist at Pinedale. Welcome to our virtual Pinedale Title I meeting. Plan 2020 requires that each Title I school hold an annual meeting of Title I for the purpose of informing you of your school's participation in Title I, explaining the requirements of Title I, and explaining your rights as parents to be involved. Plan 2020 is the strategic plan for education in Alabama with a goal to prepare all students to be successful in college and/or career upon graduation from high school. Plan 2020 will improve student growth and achievement, close the achievement gap, increase the graduation rate, increase the number of students graduating from high school that are college and career ready and prepared to be successful in our global society. What is ESSA? ESSA, Every Student Succeeds Act, is the reauthorized version of the Elementary and Secondary Education Act signed into law in 2015 by President Obama. It represents an important step forward to improve the nation's education system, and it gives states the authorization to identify their own goals to address proficiency on tests, English language proficiency, and graduation rates. What does it mean to be a Title I school? Being a Title I school means receiving federal funding to supplement the school's existing programs. These dollars are used for identifying students experiencing academic difficulties and providing timely assistance to help these students meet the state's challenging content standards, purchasing supplemental staff, programs, materials, and supplies, conducting parental involvement meetings, trainings, and activities, recruiting, hiring, retaining highly qualified teachers. Being a Title I school also means parental involvement and parents' rights. What is a CIP? The CIP is our school's continuous improvement plan and includes a needs assessment and summary of data, goals and strategies to address academic needs of students, professional development needs, coordination of resources, a comprehensive budget, and the school's parental involvement plan. Parent stakeholders are part of our school's instructional leadership team. Parents' right to know. Parents have the right to know the professional qualifications of their child's teacher and/or paraprofessional. You may contact the school principal regarding that information. Parents have the right to help decide if the school-wide plan is meeting the needs of their child and offer suggestions for improvement. Dissatisfaction with the plan may be addressed with the principal or with the federal programs director. The parents' right to know is in the Elementary City Schools Handbook. What is the 1% set aside and how are parents involved? Any LEA, which is the local education agency, which is Enterprise City School System, with a Title I allocation exceeding $500,000 is required by law to set aside 1% of its Title I allocation for parental involvement. Our system uses this money to provide parental involvement calendars in order to keep parents informed about school functions and events. Inside the calendars, you will find our system's parental involvement policy. You, as the Title I parents, have the right to be involved in how this money is spent. What is included in the school's parental involvement plan? This plan addresses how the school will implement the parental involvement requirements of the Plan 2020. Components include how parents can be involved in decision making, how parental involvement funds are being used, how information and training will be provided to parents, how the school will build capacity in parents and staff for strong parental involvement. You, as Title I parents, have the right to be involved and are encouraged to become involved in the development of your school's parental involvement plan. Once the plan is completed, it will be available to all parents and placed on our school's website. What is the School Parent Compact? The compact is a commitment from the school, the parent, and the student to share in the responsibility for improved academic achievement. You, as Title I parents, have the right to be involved in the development of the School Parent Compact. I thank you for joining our virtual Title I meeting. Remember to fill out surveys when they come home. That is how we get your voice. Your voice and your child matters to us. I hope to see you in person soon.